Okay, everyone, never screw and unscrew the fire alarm, and never take the fire alarm off the wall or the ceiling. Nope, you don't ever want to do that. I leave my screwdrivers at home. You should as well. You never go in a public building and tamper with an alarm. That is a big no no. If it's your own alarm at home, it is okay to mess with it, but if it's an alarm in a public building, it is not okay at all to mess with it. Even if you are going to someone else's house and they have alarms in their house, you don't tamper with their alarms because are they your alarms? No, they're not. So don't tamper with them. Don't you dare come to my house and tamper with my fire alarm. If you tamper with my alarm, you are going to get in big trouble. You are going to get fined and you are going to get arrested. So do not ever tamper with my alarm. If you come to my house and I have the fire alarm on the wall or the ceiling, you never get a screwdriver out and you never go up to my alarm and unscrew it or take it off the wall or the ceiling. That is a no no. Not only are you tampering with my alarm, but you are using my screwdriver without my permission. And that is not appropriate. And you are tampering with my alarm, which is a felony. So don't do that. Since I own the alarm, I am the one that mounted it. I am the only one that can tamper with my device, but not you, unless you are helping me out with swapping alarms. But if I don't give you permission to tamper with it, leave it alone. Same goes for anyone. And if they were to have alarms in their house, you don't go tampering with them unless they give you permission. But if they don't, leave them alone. You don't tamper with any alarms, especially in a public building. You don't ever tamper with those. It is going to make me sad. It is going to make everyone else sad. So let's not do it. Only do it with your own alarm, but if it's not your alarm, don't tamper with it. Bye.